ECX Ps can be used for various purposes such as mixing, granulation, sizing, and coating. This model has a multi-spin function, which allows the rotation speed and rotation direction of the disc and drum to be adjusted according to the application, achieving uniform particle diameter, high sphericity, and high density regardless of size or specific gravity. Also, since it does not stick to the container, there is less material loss, and with the absence of a baffle, maintenance is easy. Additionally, processing time is halved compared to conventional methods, and since it can be automated, productivity can be greatly improved. ECX Ps has been well received in various fields such as pharmaceuticals, health foods, chemical products, and industrial supplies.